How to change iPhone passcode to 4 digits. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Changing the iPhone passcode to 4 digits is quite simple. Launch the Settings application on your device. Scroll down and you will see the option for Face ID and passcode. Now firstly enter your current iPhone passcode. Scroll down and you will see the option for Change Passcode. Tap on that. You will be asked to enter your current passcode again, so go ahead and do that. Here, as you can see, the default option for changing the passcode is 6 digits. So in order to change it to 4 digits, tap on the passcode options. You will see various options now, such as 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom alphanumeric code, and custom numeric code. Tap on 4-digit numeric code option and now you will be able to change iPhone passcode to 4 digits. Enter a new passcode and then re-enter your new passcode and you will be all set. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.